Just singing spells at you to heal from what you're going through, 'cause sometimes we all need a helping hand. And I hope that if you find me when the path has got me down, you'll take my hand and lift me from the ground. We'll continue on the journey side by side a little while. Merry may we part with admiration in our hearts, and safe travels on our roads for many miles. Because we're taking on the world from a different point of view. We're looking at the old and discovering something new. There's stories to be found here if I take a different route. There's secrets to uncover, so much to learn from one another when we look at things from different points of view.